Here are 4 ways to find the Any Airpods serial number to get the AirPods are genuine, warranty, and replacement or proof of ownership with Apple. The first way is on your AirPods Pro charging case. The easy option is to find the serial number inside the charging case, on the right side of the AirPods charging case slot. Or use your iPhone camera to easily read tiny font numbers, like this. The second option is to check from the AirPods box. On the box, find the printer serial number that you can use to check the AirPods Pro originality and warranty status before purchase or unboxing. The third easy option is to copy the serial number from iPhone settings. First, connect AirPods Pro to iPhone. Go to Settings and find AirPods under Bluetooth. Once you get them connected, tap on the I button next to the AirPods name, or the one connected earlier with your iPhone, and then see the serial number under the About section. The fourth and last option is, without AirPods and a box, you can know the serial number of your AirPods Pro. On your purchase receipt, if you bought it online or from the Apple Store or shopping websites, then you will get an invoice copy with the serial number in the order section inside your account. View the invoice and check the serial number printed in the invoice. Those are easy options to find the serial number in all the ways, even lost AirPods Pro. If you have any question, then comment below. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.